Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is for class 12 board examination biology. Difference between is most important. Do not miss this video is most very important. First of all, gitogamy and xenogamy. It is pollination between two flowers of the same plant. It does not lead to genetic variation in the progeny. And xenogamy, it is pollination between two flowers of different plant. It lead to genetic variation in the progeny. Second, wind pollinated flower and insect pollinated flower. First off, flowers are small, usually incomposed due to dull color. Third, they are odorless and devoid of nectar. First, flowers are either large or grouped to form large clusters, and the presence of bright color in chlora, cloax, or wreath to attack insect. Strongly ordered and usually possess nectar or edible pollen. Fourth one, pollen are produced in large number. Fifth point, the pollen grains are dry, light and non-sticky so that they can be easily transported by wind. Fewer pollen grains are produced, the pollen grains are generally sticky. Third question. Endosperm is not completely used by the developing embryo, so a portion of it remains the seed. Example wheat, maize, barley, cluster. Endosperm is completely used by the developing embryo before the maturation of seed, so no endosperm is left in the seed. Example P. Groundnut. Fourth question. The process of conversion of spermatid into spermatozoa or sperm. The process when we mature spermatozoa release from Sertoli cell into lumen of seminiferous tubules. Fifth question. It is the first mature period in human female. It occurred at around 11 to 16 years of age. It marks the beginning of reproductive phase of a female. It is the end of mature period in human female. It occurred at around 40 to 50 years of age. It marks the end of reproductive phase of the female. Sixth question. The production of the sperm from spermatogonia. And second, all stages are completed in the testes. The production of sperm is in million every day. Four function spermatozoa are found. The production of the ovum from ovonia, the major part of oogenesis occur inside the ovary. The last few stages occur in oviduct. Third point, only one ovum is released once a month. Fourth point, only one function ovum is formed. Seventh question. Surgical method to Sertoli a male. A small part of vast difference is either removed or treated up by making an incus in testes. Surgical method to Sertoli a female. A small part of follicle tube is removed or tied up by making a nucleus in the abdominal cavity or through vagina. Eighth question. A gene is portion of DNA that determine a certain trait. Second point. Genes are responsible for the experience of trait. Third point. Genes do not occur in pair. Example, eye color, hair color. First point. An allele is a specific form of a gene. Alleles are responsible for the variation in the which a given trait can be exposed. All genes occur in pair. Example, blue eyes, black eye. Ninth question. Absence of one X chromosome. Second one. It involves sex chromosomes. Third. Such female are sexually as ovaries are reductily and lack of secondary sexual characters. Second, presence of a additional copy of chromosome 21. It involves autosome. Third point, the affected individual has short, strictly practically open month and breed plum. Question number 10. First point, female are heterogamete. The produce two type of gametes ZW. Second, male and homogenic. They produce similar type of gamete ZZ. Example birds. First point, male is heterogamete. They produce two type of gamete X and Y. Second, female are homogamete. They produce similar type of gamete XX. Example, human Drosophila. 11th question. First one, sex-linked recessive disorder. Second, singular protein involved in the clothing of blood is affected. Third, blood does not clothe. Autosomal linked recessive disorder. Defect in the synthesis of globin chain lead to formation of abnormal hemoglobin. It result in anemia. Question number 12. These are the reason when chromatid in is losing packed. It strain lighter. Third one. It is transcriptly active. These are the reason where chromatid is densely packed. It stains darker. It is transcriptly inactive. Question number 13. Strain of DNA having 3 to 5 polarity act as template for transcription and code for RNA. First one, strand of DNA having 5 to 3 polarity. Second one, does not code for any region of RNA due transcription. Question number 14. It is the process of synthesis of DNA and DNA. Second, both the strand take part is replication. Third, it is catalyzed by DNA polymerase. Fourth point, RNA primer is inserted for initiation. First one, it is the process of synthesis of RNA from DNA. Second, only one strand function as template. Third, it is catalyzed by RNA polymerase. Fourth, a primer is not required. Question number 15. It occurs in cell cytoplasm. Second, Transcription and translation occur similarly. Third, mRNA is translated directly from template DNA molecule. Fourth, mRNA is generally poly, polycistronic. First, it occurs in the cell nucleus. Transcription and translation different in space and time. Initially, pre-RNA molecule is formed and then processed to yield a mature mRNA. mRNA is generally monocistronic. Question number 16. Analogous organs are different in internal structure but perform same function. Second, they show convert evolution. They develop in unrelated organism. Example, wing of bird and insect. They have similar origin and basic structure but perform different functions. Second, they show divergent evolution. They develop in related organism. Example, for limb of variation vertebrate. Question number 70. Developing of different function structure from common action form. Second, homologous organ show diversity evolution. Example, Australia marsupials. Developing of similar adaptive function structure in unrelated group of organism. Analogous organs show converted evolution. Example, wing of insected bird. Question number 70 80. B cell form humoral and antibody mediated immune system. Second, they defined agent virus and bacteria that enter the blood and lungs. Third, they form plasma and memory cell by division. First, T cell form cell mediated immunity system. Second, they defined agent pathogen including prostate and fungi that enter the cell. Third, they form killer, helper, and suppress cell by division. Question number 19. It is developed when the personal own self-produced antibodies in response to infect of vaccine. Second, it produce refined only after long period. Third, it has no side effect. Fourth, it is long lasting. First one, it is developed when antibody produced in other organisms are injected into a personal to convert antigen such a snack William. Second point, it produces immune release. Third, it may cause reaction. Fourth, it is not long lasting. Question number 20. It spread to other organ of the body. Second, rate of growth is usually rapid. Third, it is converse. Fourth, the can- cancer cell migrate to other side of the body and start a new tumor metastasis. First, it remains confined to the affected organ. Second, rate of growth is usually slow. It is non-concus. Fourth, it causes limit damage to the body. Question 21. This type of graph has a triangular space. Second, high number of pre-reproductive individual, moderate number of reproductive individual, and few